Divorce mediation versus DIY divorce in Lancaster. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're going through a divorce in Lancaster, you might be wondering whether mediation or a DIY approach is the best way to move forward. Both options can work, but it really depends on your situation. With mediation, a neutral third party helps you and your spouse work through issues like property division, custody, and support. Mediation is great when there are disagreements, but both sides still want to avoid going to court. It usually costs more than a DIY divorce, but can save you thousands compared to hiring attorneys. A DIY divorce, on the other hand, is best when both spouses are in full agreement and the case is truly uncontested. It's the most affordable route, but many people who try to do it themselves end up making mistakes that cause delays or rejections from the court. For example, we recently had a Lancaster client who started their divorce on their own, but got stuck when their judgment was rejected twice. Instead of continuing to fight with the court, they came to us. We fixed their paperwork and finalized their divorce in just a few weeks. At Divorce661.com, we combine the best of both worlds. We're not mediators or attorneys. We're a flat-fee divorce service that prepares, files, and finalizes your entire divorce from start to finish, without the stress of doing it yourself or the high cost of mediation. If you're ready to move forward with a smooth, affordable divorce in Lancaster, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation today.